Hey, what is on, guys? This is Cloud here. And for today's live comp, I'm going to be comping the Supreme Stone Island Collab. I decided that I'm going to be going for the embroidered top, which is going to be the t-shirt looking thing. So that's what I'm going to be going for. Going to be going for that manual and with a bot, but obviously for the live comp, it's going to be the manual edition of the cop. So yeah, let's get into the drop. I woke up really late today for the drop, so I didn't really have time to set up everything perfectly, even though I did. So yeah, and then a huge shout out to everybody for helping me reach 6,000 subscribers. I'm probably gonna do some sort of giveaway or a celebration video, so leave in the comments down below, what do you guys want? Like, you guys want, like, what kind of video do you guys want to celebrate, or do you guys want like a giveaway? Like, leave in the comments down below, what do you guys prefer? So I didn't upload a resell predictions video this week. I got caught up in a lot of stuff yesterday. I was just kind of like doing a lot of stuff. And I was kind of sad about the Klay Thompson injury news. That's one of my favorite NBA players to watch. I'm not like a huge NBA fan, but I do like to watch it. And I do find like the Warriors team back when they just had, you know, Curry and Klay without Kevin Durant, like, as a very fun team to watch. So I was excited to watch them, but it looks like he might be hurt, but I don't know.
Damn! I thought I was going to see the Warriors in the conference finals at the very least. Damn.
So right now we're 45 seconds away from the drop, which is crazy. Didn't have time to shout out to Discord because I was just rushing to get everything ready, you know. So good luck to everybody in Discord. Then let's get into the drop. 30 seconds away. Let's go. Again, I'm using my laptop because I really feel like my laptop has a way lower chance of getting high traffic. But like, look at this lag, bro. It's not loading and shit. Like, the internet just isn't as fast because you don't have the little like plug the Ethernet. So yeah, that's an issue, but yeah, let's go. Wait, come on. Oh, fuck. Oh, there we go. Come on, bruh. Oh my god, so slow, dude. Sold out already. Give me a different colorway. Oh, here we go. Check out now. Bro, so slow, I swear. Process payment. Is that a W? Is that a W? Bro, that was low-key freaking expensive though, dude. Is it even W? Because it's so damn expensive. Bam, there we go. So, I don't know. Is it because of the laptop? But it seems like the laptop doesn't get card declines like my computer does. And sorry about if you hear that background noise because someone just started taking a shower in my house. So yeah, got a W, even though that is fucking expensive, guys. I don't know, will I be able to resell that, or I don't even know how the Stone Island fit, because I did hear that it fits small. So if it does fit small, then I'm not sure will a large fit me if it fits like, you know, like a medium. But hopefully it fits true to size, because I mean, it is a cool shirt. I could rock it if I don't end up like reselling it, because it doesn't resell well because it's so expensive, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, no high traffic, because I guess that's what happens on the Mac. I don't know, but no high traffic. That is different, considering on my PC is high traffic every single week. So yeah, that's pretty dope. Got a semi W. Except, like, I don't know, I need to figure out like the internet problem with the Mac. Like, is there a way I can hook up like an Ethernet cable too? Because then I'll just do that, because that'll be way faster. I'll figure that out, and then hopefully next week I might use an Ethernet cable. You guys don't know what that is? It is when you plug in your computer into the router instead of using Wi-Fi, because the connection is just way faster if you do it like that, if you guys didn't know. And I feel like it's not very ideal to use the router. It just seems very slow. Like, yeah, checking my internet speed right now with the router, it is way slow. It's more than half. It's like about half the speed, so that's very not good, because yeah. But that's it for my live cop. Leave in the comments down below, what did you guys cop from today's drop? Hopefully you guys managed to take a W. I finally, not a big W, because this is like more expensive than I thought it was. 148, I thought it was 128. Like, what happened there? So that's not cool. That's very expensive. But yeah, leave in the comments down below, what do you guys cop? I'm sure a lot of you guys cop Stone Island. Maybe some of you guys cop the Haynes stuff. Maybe some of you guys cop the bellhop lamp. Like, that's very cool. Just overall, a lot of decent items to cop for the resale, I think, and for the personal. And that's it for the live cop. So you guys did enjoy the live cop, please drop me a like down below. I appreciate all likes you guys drop me. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.
Run it out, get your bag right now, yeah.